Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How's your life today? Is it good? Great. Okay, so today this is our first meeting, which is in English subjects. Before we can go to the materials first, I need to introduce myself. My name is Lazuardi, and you can call me Bapak Ade. Is because a more simpler way to call me. Kalian panggil saja Bapak ini Bapak Ade. Okay? So I was born in Sampit, May 24, 2000, and also I'm a college students from UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. So that's the introduction from me, and I hope along the way we can get along together. Mudah-mudahan selama pembelajaran ini berlangsung kita dapat mengenal satu sama lain dengan baik dalam satu kelas ini. Amin. Okay, before we can start our material today, let's recite basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so today in our English subjects, our first English subjects, we're going to talk about greetings and also taking leave. Jadi hari ini kita akan mempelajari dua materi pada hari ini, yaitu greetings dan juga taking leave. Oke, sebelum kita masuk ke materi greetings dan taking leave, kita harus mengenalin dulu greetings itu sendiri. Jadi apa itu greeting? What is a greeting according to you guys? Or according to the material? So let's go to the next slide. Okay, what is a greeting? Apa itu greeting? So greeting is a simple way to say hello to others. We mainly greet each other to let others know about our presence or acknowledge their presence. Jadi greeting itu adalah jalan mudah atau hal yang mudah bagi kita untuk menyampaikan menyapa seseorang itu. Jalan yang mudah untuk menyapa seseorang, baik itu dalam berkata hello, halo, bagaimana kabarmu, seperti itu. Jadi kita menyapa orang itu untuk memberitahu bahwa kita itu diketahui keberadaannya oleh orang yang kita sapa itu tadi. Jadi seperti itu. Greeting itu sebuah sapaan terhadap orang lain. Okay. So, what are the expressions of greeting in English? Jadi apa saja penyampaian dalam menyapa seseorang dalam bahasa Inggris? So the first we need to know is about the greeting first. So there are a lot of greeting in English. The first one is hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? Hi, good to see you again. So that's the greeting expression to say hello to someone besides hello. So the responses atau jawaban dari greeting yang telah disapa orang tersebut tadi, yang pertama yaitu hi atau hello, good morning or morning, good afternoon or afternoon, good evening or evening, hi, I'm good, thanks, and hi, good to see you too. So if they are greeting, that there will be responses. So that is the expressions of greeting in English. So the next one is the examples of greeting expression. Jadi contoh ini dalam bentuk dialog ya. Yang pertama itu dialog pertama. So there are Eri and Denny. So hi Denny, how are you doing? Hi Eri, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. That's good to hear. So that is the example of dialogue 1, and then there's dialogue 2. Sarah and Hari. Hi Hari, how are you feeling? I'm feeling better now. Glad to hear that. So that is the examples of greeting expression. There are greeting and also the responses in both of the dialogues. Jadi ada sapaan dan juga respon atau jawaban di dalam dua dialog tersebut. So, setelah kita mempelajari greeting expression beserta contoh-contohnya, kita akan memasuki materi yang berupa yaitu taking leave. So, what is a taking leave? If there is a greeting, then there will be a taking leave. So, taking leave expression is the expression when someone wants to leave from the place. Jadi, ekspresi taking leave ini merupakan ekspresi ketika seseorang itu pergi meninggalkan suatu tempat atau suatu dialog. Nah, sebenarnya ada dua ekspresi. Ketika kita meninggalkan suatu tempat itu, we say goodbye and see you. Tapi ketika kita berada di malam hari dan ketika kita ingin tidur, we say good night. Nah, seperti itu ya. Jadi ada perbedaan expression pada taking leave itu sendiri. So, what are the expressions of taking leave? Apa saja ekspresi-ekspresi dalam taking leave itu? Yang pertama, taking leave itu sendiri yaitu goodbye, bye, bye-bye, see you later or tomorrow, good night, so long, take care, or take care of yourself, and then sorry, I have, or I need to go now. So, the responses would be bye or bye-bye, and see you, and then good night, see you, you too, or thanks, bye, okay, take care, or okay, let's keep in touch. So, after the expression, we will need to see the examples. Jadi kita harus melihat contohnya itu seperti apa. So, jadi ini ada 3 dialog, which is taking leave expression. The dialogue 1, there will be Kikan and Restu. Alright, I must go. My mom is waiting for me at the school gate. Goodbye. Alright, take care of yourself. Then dialogue 2, there will be Erika and also Catur. It's already late. Don't forget to meet me in the park tomorrow morning. Take care. Okay, let's keep in touch. And then dialogue 3, there will be Jerry and also Gita. I need to return the classroom. Let's talk again on the second break. See you later. See ya. So these are the examples of taking leave expression, which has the taking leave expression itself and also the responses. Jadi ada ekspresi taking leave-nya itu sendiri dan juga ada berbagai respon yang bisa kita ucapkan ketika orang yang ingin pergi meninggalkan suatu tempat itu. Okay, so that's all of the material that we have learned today. Then there will be assignments, which is a simple assignment for you guys to do it at home. Okay, so the assignment here, there are 6 of them. There are 3 parts of the material. Each material there are 3 questions. So the first one would be double questions, double answers, and then the second and the third question would be to fill the gap according to your creative. Jadi pertanyaan ini nanti pertanyaan pertama itu yaitu pilihan ganda dan sisanya itu pertanyaan kedua dan ketiga itu sesuai kreativitas kalian untuk menjawab mengisi gap-gap ini, mengisi kolom-kolom kosong terhadap pertanyaan yang telah disampaikan dalam dialog ini, oke? Dan juga untuk slide selanjutnya, for the next slide, it is still the same question like the previous one. So you guys have to choose the correct answer and also to fill the gap to answer the questions below. Jadi kalian harus memilih jawaban yang paling tepat mengenai pertanyaan atau pernyataan yang telah disampaikan oleh orang pertama, dan pertanyaan yang kedua dan ketiga itu kalian harus mengisi kolom kosong itu sesuai dengan jawaban yang ada, dengan pertanyaan yang ada juga. Okay? So all you have all you have to do is write down the answer on a piece of paper, then send it via Google Classroom in our group. Jadi nanti setelah kalian mengetahui pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu, kalian tulis jawabannya dalam selembar kertas, lalu kalian foto, kalian take a picture, kalian foto hasil pekerjaan kalian, lalu kalian kirimkan via Google Classroom di grup kita nanti. Oke. Untuk deadline dan batas waktu mengumpulnya nanti Bapak sampaikan setelah selesai pembelajaran ini. Oke. Terima kasih. Itu saja dari Bapak. Mudah-mudahan pembelajaran ini bakal bermanfaat bagi kalian yang ingin mendalami tentang bahasa Inggris itu sendiri. Oke. Terima kasih. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.